I'd like to welcome everybody to the CRP Automotive booth here at AAPEX 2024. This is a special year for us, being our 70th year. We're going to walk you through some of the special products and solutions we've got here.
I'm Mark Malone, the Pennison Brand Director at CRP Automotive. This year we brought some new products to showcase. So the first thing that we brought is the 50/50 Pentafrost pre-diluted European antifreeze. The last 15 years we've had the concentrate in the 1.5 liter bottle, but for this year we've added the 50/50 gallon, so it's pre-diluted with deionized water, which is used to take the minerals out of the water that cause rust in engines. We have the Pentafrost E for the Audis and the Volkswagens 2006 on. We have the Pentafrost SF, which is for earlier Audis and Volkswagens. And then we have the NF, which is for the Volvo and BMW. Also this year, we have two new double clutch transmission fluids. We have the FFL 52529 and we have the FFL 7A. The FFL 5259 is for some Audi A4, A4 Quattro from 2017 to 2021. The FFL 7A is an EV-ready product. That means that it has applications that are for electric vehicles and as well as hybrids. So here we have the Pentafrost 0W20 EFE. It has the BMW Long Life 17 FE Plus spec as well as the Mercedes 229/71. But most important is it has the ILZAC GF6A, which addresses low-speed pre-ignition. Low-speed pre-ignition is when the fuel-air mixture coming out of the turbocharge sparks before it gets to the top of the piston, scarring the cylinder walls. So they had to change the formulation to something that wouldn't spark early on. So they did that with a different additive package, and that additive package was approved by BMW and got the GF6A spec. We also have our DSG kit that we're showing here. For quite a few years we've been selling it. It's for the Volkswagen from 2003 up to 2012. It has the 5 liters of the FFL2 double clutch transmission fluid, as well as a filter, an O-ring, and it's a 40,000 mile service interval change that Volkswagen created for this product. And that's it for this year.
My name is Evan Frederick. I'm the mechanical engineer working under our AAE steering brand. So AAE is our steering brand. It's a full line domestic and import steering. We have a full-line hydraulic power steering program, EHPS, which stands for Electro-Hydraulic Power Steering, and our electronic reman program. That's all done in our facility down in South Carolina, USA-based quality. This is our ER1005. This is for a Ford Fusion. You don't need to program anything. You just drop it in the car, flash it to the ECU, and you're good to go. We have a bare bones pump here, 6804. That's for multiple applications for Audi, Volkswagen, and you're just going to get the bare pump with this one. When we talk about solutions, we're a solution-based company. We started doing these pump kits. They become very successful. That comes with our pump, our pulley, and our reservoir. Interesting thing about these, people don't really realize that there's a filter inside of a lot of these reservoirs. So when you do this job, it's very important to change these. This is going to be for our Honda Odyssey. It's our 5601. NKTA. It also comes with a new return pipe and a new sensor. Another kit we have is our 5608. That's our BMW kit. Covers 1 series, 3 series, kind of those mid-2000s sedans. That's going to come with an upgraded aluminum pulley. From the OEM, it's a plastic one, and they get cracked, they get hard. It's just a nice upgrade we have. It's also going to come with those one-time aluminum stretch bolts, which you should always change. And of course the reservoir, which is the filter. Another side of our hydraulic steering program, we have a new hydraulic racks. This is our 3490. This covers FJ Cruisers and 4Runners from 2011 all the way up to 2022. So we also have our new electro-hydraulic pumps. This is our cutaway for a Mazda. Just drop it in, no programming needed, complete solution right there. Lastly is our 3817 Mercedes rack. That goes for those mid-size Mercedes SUVs, the MLs, the GLs, the ML550. An upgrade on that part is the servo rack. These are all servotronic units, which tend to assist you a little bit less when you're at high speeds and a lot more when you're at low speeds. Most manufacturers don't include that little servo valve, but we do. We like to add a little bit of value. We also have a full line of gearboxes. Those are going to be for your more heavy-duty trucks, your F350s, F450s. So that pretty much concludes our steering line. If you guys have any other questions or any inquiries you want to go, you can go to crpindustries.com, see our catalog, see what we have to offer. We'd love to have you as a customer.
This year for AAPEX, we brought 2 engines with us. This one is a BMW B46 engine. Some of the critical parts we've brought with us on this engine are on the turbo side, our turbocharger installation kit, which is going to include all of the coolant, oil hoses, as well as all the gaskets and hardware anybody's going to need to install a new turbocharger. And then on the intake side, we've got our upgraded aluminum oil filter housing, as well as our upgraded aluminum coolant flange, which are critical when working on any of these vehicles. The other engine we brought with us is this Audi Volkswagen 2-liter engine. Some of the parts we've got on this engine include another turbocharger installation kit, which again includes all of the hoses, the gaskets, and the hardware you'll need. The comprehensive timing chain kit, which is critical on these engines and a huge issue. And then on the intake side, we've got our upgraded WPU 0016 water pump and the upgraded coolant pipe that leads from it. One of the new categories we've brought with us this year for AAPEX is our line of aluminum drain plugs. These come complete with the washers, and they're also magnetic, so that make sure that they pick up any small metal shavings going through the engine. Another product we're very proud of here at AAPEX 2024 is our BMW transfer case overhaul kit. This one actually won an award this year for Best New Product. I'd like to thank you all for tuning in and spending some time with us. If you'd like any more information about us or our products, check us out at crpautomotive.com or on our YouTube channel. Until next year, thanks a lot.